Hello and welcome to my video all about how to do the cable cast on. The cable cast on is a popular method because it produces an attractive, neat and stable edge. The first thing you need to do is tie a slip knot in your yarn, about 8 inches or so from the end. You just need enough of a yarn tail to weave into your knitting later on. Then place this slip knot onto your knitting needle and tighten. Because the cable cast on requires at least 2 stitches to be on the needle, you need to use a different method to add the second stitch, and we're going to use the knitted cast on. So just take your right hand needle up through the slip knot as if to knit, and do all of the usual steps of a knit stitch, except don't slip the stitch off the end of the needle. Instead, pull the right hand needle towards you to make a large loop of yarn, and then transfer this loop of yarn onto the left hand needle, like so. And now we have enough stitches to do the cable cast on. So first, take your right hand needle between the 2 stitches. Make sure you're only going in between the stitches rather than into the stitches, like so. And then the rest of the steps are the same as the knitted cast on we just did. So do all of the steps of a knit stitch, but don't slip the stitch off the needle. Instead, pull the needle back to make a larger loop and transfer the loop to the left hand needle. Note that once you've cast on the stitch, you don't want to pull the stitch tight, you want to leave it a bit loose. This will make it a lot easier to get your needle in between those last 2 stitches to make the next stitch. And just carry on repeating this until you've cast on as many stitches as you want. And then you should have something that looks like this. I then just knit some stockinette stitch to make the edge easier to see. As you can see, the resulting cast on edge is neat and has a twisted rope-like appearance. It has a little bit of stretch and holds its shape well. And that's it, that's how you do the cable cast on. I really hope you found this helpful and thank you very much for watching.